We, Radhesam Engineering, are renowned manufacturer of universal mechanical comparators. Our manufacturing unit is located at Ahmedabad in Gujarat. This precision measuring instrument is used in bearings, bearing raw material, bearing race, cage, bearing retainer manufacturing companies and automobile cylindrical component manufacturing companies. Mechanical comparator is used to measure various parameters like external diameter, internal diameter, squareness of diameter to end face and combination of all these parameters. Our manufacturing unit is located 5 kilometers away from Ahmedabad Kalupur railway station and 15 kilometers away from Ahmedabad Sardar Patel International Airport. Now I will brief various accessories of this instrument. This is a base plate where component will rest. This is a T-bolt. This is a measuring disc. This is a moving slide. This is a lock screw to lock the moving plate. This is a zero setting adjustment fine screw. This bolt is used to apply pressure on component either from inside or outside of the component. Insert the dial indicator in adapter and lock the dial indicator in adapter. Now I will explain the procedure to measure outside diameter of bearing rings by this instrument. Put the component to be measured on base plate. Engage two numbers T-bolt with measuring disc at 90 degree and 180 degree slot on the base plate. Now lock the sliding plate with this locking screw. Insert the T-bolt with measuring disc in moving slide on 0 degree like this. Also keep minor clearance between outside diameter of the component to be measured and measuring disc mounted on 0 degree. This and this we will keep some clearance. Now tighten all measuring disc with T-bolt, nut and all 3 degrees 0, 90, 180, keeping moving slide plate locked with this lock screw. Now loose this lock screw of moving slide plate and apply some pressure on job with the help of pressure applying screw. Zero setting adjustment fine screw is given in this precise measuring instrument, by which one can set zero reading on dial indicator. Now apply some pressure toward inside on job and set the zero reading on dial indicator by zero setting adjustment fine screw that we have done. Now move the component something like this and check the ovality out of roundest reading of the component. Same procedure shall be followed to measure internal diameter of the component. This mechanical comparator is very handy and precise. This mechanical comparator is widely used in ball bearing, taper roller bearing, spherical roller bearing, deep groove ball bearing, bearing cage, race, retainer manufacturing units, and automobile cylindrical component manufacturing units. We are taking readings now. We can see ovality of this bearing. We can show approximately 4 micron ovality is there in this ring. This mechanical comparator is a universal measuring instrument and superbly versatile to use. Mechanical comparator is known as various names like universal mechanical comparator, spin gauge, spin dial indicator, mechanical comparator spin, universal diameter apparatus, UDA, and OD checking gauge. Our motto is, we do not sell our offer, we just establish long lasting relationship with our customer. Thank you.